if you have been running Facebook ads at all, you know how finicky Facebook can be when it comes to its policies, when it comes to its bots picking up on certain words in your ad copy and rejecting them. In my last video, I showed you one way that I have found of getting around this by creating some no words in my account so that Anyword knows not to use those banned or bad words in any of my ad copies. Since then, Anyword has actually released an update to its tool where now it actually gives us a reading of how safe our copies are as it generates each one. So let me show you exactly what that looks like now. All right, so here I am in my last project where I had created a bunch of ad copies for myself. This is where you will see the new update that Anyword has released. So where you see the scores, so where you're seeing 83, 80, if you hover over it, it will show you whether an ad copy is safe, whether it is sensitive, which means you might need to check that ad copy and be careful when you use it, or if it's unsafe, where Anyword knows that there is a word in there, probably because you have a keyword that you plugged in when you were generating the ad copies. But Anyword will let you know that an ad copy is unsafe if it has one of those trigger words that Facebook's bots are looking for. And again, if it's sensitive, you just want to be careful and err on the side of caution. But as long as your ad copy says safe and you already have your no words plugged into your account, which you'll want to go back to the last video and check out if you haven't already, you are good to go. So that's my quick and important update for today. I hope this gives you more confidence when you're using Anyword. I know it's given me a whole lot more confidence knowing that Anyword is also doing a double check for me that none of my ad copy is going to trigger Facebook's ad bots. And although I'm only using this for Facebook, I do want to make it clear that this will work for any platform because all of their algorithms are similar in the sense of the words or the negative words that they're looking for, and that's going to trigger their bots to reject your ads. So, no matter what ad platform you're using, this is an amazing update from Anywhere. I am super excited that they have that. I am going to continue using my no words plugged into my account so I can be doubly careful. But just knowing that Anyword has now built this into their tool is amazing. I will see you on my next video where I'm going to be diving into the pro version of Anyword and showing you the power behind that package. I'll see you there.